Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace cylinder walk on a door handle on a Volkswagen Jetta or Golf MK6. Okay, this one here, if you're replacing yours because of a broken key, I don't know what else it could be, we'll show you how to remove that now, guys. Stay with us and we'll demonstrate how to do it. So first, guys, if you open the door handle like that with a plastic prying tool, you can remove the cap right here, like that. Okay, you can see how it gets on the thing, just a couple clips. Now we need to remove that seal there. And you need to get a T22 now. What we will need to do, we need to get that one loose. Okay, like that. You can pull it actually out, the whole bolt. And now we need to get this one loose. Just a couple revolutions, you'll see. Okay, and once you do that, what you need to do now, if you get a screwdriver, small but careful not to damage your door, or a plastic tool, okay, you can get that thing out. If it gets stuck, like in our case it did, it will be really helpful if you get your key in. Okay, and when you wiggle it a little bit back and forth, it's gonna come out eventually. Okay, like that. You can see, and that's the lock right here. So when you get a new one, guys, just to replace it, you don't need to worry about lining up with anything, trying to get a shot inside. That's where the one of the bolts goes, and that's the other one. So you need to just grab it like that, push it in, all the way in. You need to install the two bolts now. One is already there, so you just need to get it tight. The little one, you cannot take it off. Don't try to. Just the one that sticks out. Okay, and get this one tight as well. Next we will need to install the little cap right here. You just push it in once it goes in a specific way. Okay, like that. And now you have a new lock, guys. So not very complicated at all. Give us a like, support our channel, subscribe so we can grow fast, guys, and make more helpful videos. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.